They're laughing at me because I just found out that I've been using shower gel as my lotion for the last week. I wish we could have seen more of Barcelona.
Thank you, man, for having me. Appreciate it, dude.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Anyways, last night I got really bad food poisoning. Patay.
I was forced to hang out alone.
By himself. Look,
It's all good.
ikaw yan. See you in a couple months, dude. Yo, what's up, guys? Sorry I haven't been vlogging lately. Got food poisoning earlier this week. Been out of commission. Getting all my work done. Paperwork. Getting used to my schools. It's Friday, finally off of work. I'm gonna start vlogging. We are here at Mucci's getting some pizza because I've been craving pizza ever since like last week. Some semblance of home. Pizza, Tabasco sauce. Alright, so I need to get back to my good vlogging habits and bring my camera with me. I'm using my iPhone right now. Don't even know if I'm in shot. I'm going to get a coffee machine. Going to this place called Numero. M-I-R-O. Damn. And here we are. We're here at Numero. This one or this one? Alright, so just went to Numero and grabbed a coffee machine. I'm gonna put it in my room. Gotta buy some coffee grounds and some filters. I was really thinking about getting some Starbucks, but since I have this, I might as well try it out already. So, gonna go to the supermarket, get some coffee, and get a filter, and get this thing set up. Today we are setting up my coffee machine. I have been very sluggish this last week because I haven't had my coffee. Starbucks isn't open until 7:30. It's only 7 o'clock. I've been going to coffee shops and paying $1.70 per coffee, but it takes a lot of time and I'd rather have it just here in my room. So I got this for only 19 euro at Numero, and got a coffee filter. It's a little too big, but I could cut it down. Boom. As much as I collect my Starbucks mugs from around the world, I brought my San Diego Starbucks mug to remind me a little bit of home. Here's the coffee. Please work, please work. It's working! It's freaking working! I think I put too much coffee in it, but whatever. I'm alive. Coffee's ready. There it is. Coffee. Yeah. I'm alive. Yes. Stevia. Now let's see if this coffee works. Good. Might need a little more coffee, but it works for its first try. Alright, I'm putting together my vanity mirror. Lil Jorm. I just went to the store to buy the adapter for it. It's cable something, but I just gotta put these wires, these 3 wires, into this, and then I'm gonna install my mirror. Looks like this. And I've been using this. I've been using my Jada Heat Swiss Army knife to put this stuff together. So I just plugged it in. Let's see if it works. I put one of those in, and you gotta just press that button, and that's what I connected, these 3 wires. Will it work? Am I like MacGyver? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Yes. And that's how you make a vanity mirror. Bless up. I feel black. Next test, just screwed in all 4. Perfecto. Alright, so here's my laptop setup. This is where I'm going to hang it on this wall. But for now, I'm going to put it there next to my Khaleesi and Daryl from The Walking Dead. Let's see if it works. See if it works. Yes. It works. It works. This is the original plan, to use it for better lighting. So this is my setup. I have this light, I have that light. So hopefully, when I'm talking to myself, it's bright. What's up?
I feel blessed.
What's up?
I feel blessed.
I'm here with my roommate. That's G.
Hello.
And that is Precious.
Hello. Hello.
How many months? Is
Going to 4 months. Going
4 months.
Yeah.
Ate is gonna learn how to speak English mo better.
You're bad.
And then she's gonna teach me Tagalog. Marunong ako Tagalog. We're going to Mercadona.
Supermarket.
And there is my other ate. Also with baby.
Iniyaya ka namin. Huwag ganyan ka pala.
And tulog.
Tulog.
He is
He's sleeping while waiting.
tulog. Hashtag bagsak.
Let's go!
I don't have a stroller, I just have the shopping cart. And this is Marisa. Wow.
Okay, go.
Drama, drama. Hello, ates.
Hello, kuya.
Kamusta na ba?
Ay, maganda pa rin.
Saan kami pupunta?
Sa Mercadona.
Mercadona.
Sa Espana.
Dalawang baby, isang shopping cart. Ako walang baby, thank God. Hashtag patay.
Yeah, Tita will kill you.
Yeah, tita will kill me.
Tignan mo ito kung naging demonyo na.
Domino's! Y'all's already know. Hashtag pizza life. That is the pangalan, the name of my Lola. Remedios. Hi Lola. And just down the street from the house is Plaza Espana. You can't see the nice part from here, but this is the side. I'm gonna make a video from both of you. Salitang Filipina.
Andito tayo sa Espana. Oo. Mabuhay, Espana.
Ang slang mo, mga para Mars. Oh, there's the Toro. Look at that.
Bienvenida.
I haven't been here yet. We are inside the arena of the bullfighter, Toro. We have to wait for the elevator because they have bata. Check it out. This place is cool. They're laughing at me because I just found out that I've been using shower gel as my lotion for the last week.
You're crazy. Why you did that now?
I have to buy lotion.
You're crazy.
See, I hate the Spanish postal service. They didn't deliver my shampoo and my lotion. So you get a big... We're entering Mercadona. Just like the one in Barbara del Valles. They are teaching me how to save money and where the cheapest places are. Because I don't care, I'll just buy it. Hot sauce, where's my hot sauce? That's all I came here for.
I got hot sauce in my bag. Swag.
Salsa picante.
If detergent, say it habon. You can read it habon. But if you want a softener, say it suavizante.
Suavizante.
Yeah.
Pizza, yes please. Pizza. Si. Si se puede. Cart's filling up. I got the wrong coffee earlier. This is the right coffee. I got the instant one that you're supposed to just heat up water and mix it. My bad. We're done shopping! Boom! Now we're gonna carry it home and I heard it's raining. No! It's raining! Look at the drone stand. My drone's better. Those are some fake drones. Cyril is playing on Disney Junior thing. So I'm just checking out a little bit of this Toro's Mall here in Plaza Espana. Don't have money yet, haven't got my paycheck, so I can't buy anything, so it sucks. But there's things I want to buy. So we are at the top and it's super dope up here. Holy shit. So we are at the top of this area and you can see all of Plaza Espana from here. It's pretty dope. Saturday night, trying to go out for a little bit. Got my longboard, gonna meet up Sunny June. So what happens when your roommate works at a bar?
What's the brand? Ah! What's up?
And you're back on the vlog.
Go back up.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.